years ago, I graduated high school, and I was doing a bunch of odd jobs, and they got stale real quick, right? So I had a cousin of mine that ended up working at Toyota, and I called him up. I'm like, hey, give me a job.
Yeah.
So he gets me an application. I ended up working at Volvo Porsche for a little bit as a detailer. Did that for about a year, and then I decided, I'm like, you know what, I want to do mechanic stuff instead of like detail stuff. So I asked for a transfer. I was granted the transfer, and then I ended up over here.
Wow. So how has Northtown supported you in going from detail to wanting to become a Toyota technician? There's a lot to learn.
They put me into an entry level position, right? And they said, just take it easy. If you have questions, just ask. Don't feel afraid to ask or whatever.
Yeah.
And just take everything step by step. Because I never went to school. I never did any sort of training outside of working on like my own car, for example. I was learning everything on the job.
If somebody was watching this right now and thinking about applying to Northtown and looking to make that their career, what would you say to them?
Bring a good work ethic. Make sure to be on time, and you're going to get close with your buddies. You're going to get close with your coworkers. That's just kind of how it is. You're going to end up with a second family. You know what I mean, you get close. You get close with all your coworkers because we're here for so long.